but kilig to the nth power as well. Let's all welcome James and Devon!
Hello everyone!
Hi guys! Ayan. Natutulog pa si Devon, nagpapahinga pa. Let's also acknowledge the presence of our text promo winner, Johnson and Camille. Andito sila ngayon.
Yay!
Happy energy! Woo!
Mabuhay!
Ang taas ng energy ng mga famous natin sa text promo, ha? Hindi ko kinakaya. Ayan, and of course, hindi lang yon ang mangyayari today. Hindi na makakachat si James and Devon. You guys also have, di ba pwede sa manalo ng dog tag?
Yes, the dog tag.
Yes. 2 of 2! Dalawa sa ating mga chatters ang pwedeng manalo ng GB dog tag. Kailangan lang masagot ng tama ang ating mga trivias for the day. And our first trivia for the day is, who sang the GB theme song? Yan, napakadali ah. Who sang the GB theme song? Ayan, kailangan natin ng clue from James and Devon.
He looks like Zac Efron, Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber!
There, ayan, may clue na
And
kayo
his
ah.
feet
Kaya,
smell really nice.
Sorry. Hindi ko kaya.
Kaya guys, send in your full name, your answer, your address, your email ad, and your contact number at baka ikaw ang mapili namin na manalo ng GB.tag and that
Yes.
will be announced later sa kalagitnaan ng ating chat. Yan, let's start off with a question from Janelle. Yan, medyo deep and serious yung question niya. To James and Devon, how's your relationship with each other changed since when you were inside the PBB house and now that you're outside and even became a love team? Yeah. Did you hear the question?
Sorry, what?
Ay!
You're not
What
really
was the
paying
question?
attention.
What?
Come again.
I hate you.
No.
Here's the question. From Janelle, how's your relationship with each other changed since when you were inside the PBB house and now that you're outside and even became a love team? So how are you with each other before and now?
Hi Janelle.
Janelle ba? Janelle.
Janelle.
After PBB, yeah, we've gotten much closer, I guess. Definitely because of the love team, but also our projects bring us closer together. I mean, we see each other like maybe 4 times a week, right?
Yes.
About 4 times a week.
Nakikiyas na ako dito.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we're close friends.
And okay. Thank you so much.
I think I answered for both of us.
Oo nga, yun din. Yun din yun sa akin. Tatagalugin ko.
Tagalogin mo. For the other chatters who can't understand James' Aussie accent.
Oo nga. Nung since PBB, ngayon, mas closer kami ngayon kasi lagi kami magka-eksena, kami yung love team, and lagi ko nakikita yung pagmumukha niya.
Parang ayaw mo. It's as if you don't like seeing the face of James.
Hindi! Pogi nga eh. Kaya compliment yun, friend ah. Hindi, yun. Friends kami, close friends kami until now.
Okay. May practice akong sagot dyan in Aussie accent
Oo
kaso it
nga.
sounded better in my head ata. Ayoko na sabihin.
Ah!
Ako si James.
Hindi!
Ayan, next question naman. Sabi, this is for James, I think. James, define Devon, Andy, and Trisha. What are their differences and their qualities that you like best?
First of all,
It's
Devon. Okay, yeah, in the alphabet. Okay. Anne is she's cool. She's fun to hang out with. I can relate to her. She's cool, fun, personality. Fun. She's fun to be around. Like even just when she's in the room, everyone smiles and laughs. Just because, even if you don't find her jokes funny, she'll laugh. She'll laugh anyway. So yeah, she's just fun to have around. Trisha. What?
You can't find words.
Yeah, I can't find the words. Trish has always been a good friend. I mean, we're close in PBB, although we don't see much of each other now, just because don't have projects together. I mean, I don't see much of Anne either now either. But yeah, Trish has always been a good friend.
Yes, and now a question for Devon. Since they asked James to define the 3 girls in his life, how about you define, you give us the characteristics that you like most about Sam, Enrique, James, and Ivan.
Oy! Dagdag isa! Ayaw daw ko sa'yo. Ano? Wala akong masyadong sagot siya.
Okay, who's first? Enrique.
Enrique. Enrique,
His nice hair.
Enrique, mabait naman talaga siya. Lagi kaming
Oo.
Oo! Bakit? Ba't ka nag-ano Teka lang, ako muna. Ayun si Enrique, ano naman, lagi kami nagkakatuwaan. Ayun. Masaya siyang kasama. Kasi, nagkakaanuhan kami ng jokes. Nagpapalitan kami, lalo na kasi nabibisaya kami din naman. Yun. Si Sam naman, for me talaga si Sam eh. Kahit sino talaga siya, comfortable talaga siya sa lahat ng girls doon. Marami siyang close girl na, babaeng kaibigan. So, wala lang, palabiro din siya. So, okay lang. So, and James, ay mamaya ka na. Ivan! Si Ivan naman, bakit? Si Ivan naman, talagang, close friend ko siya. Lagi ko siyang, like, siya open kami sa, isa't isa. So, parang, doon ako nagsasabi minsan na, secrets ko, yun. So, siya, parang ko siyang, one of my best buddies, yun. And si James.
Finally,
Lastly. Si James naman, ano bang masasabi ko sa'yo?
Sexy view na.
Ayun. Si James naman, siya. Ay, kahit sa mga taong hindi siya kilala masyado kasi sinasabi na, daw, parang,
snob.
gano'n. Oo, yung mga, tumitingin na sa, akala nila snob siya, lagi, gano'n. And, masungit, gano'n.
Maybe it's because I don't understand what he's saying. Because he has such a thick
He's supposed to
accent.
be saying good things about you. That's what like.
Oo, yun nga! Teka lang, hindi pa ako tapos. Wait. Ayun, pero kapag nakilala mo naman siya, din siya, parang, kalog din, lumalabas yung siya talaga, talaga siya. Funny din siya, minsan. Minsan. Hindi, oo. Lumalabas
So
din
he's
yung
not funny most of the time.
Who laughs at their own jokes?
Yun. And para siyang lumalabas na pagka-Ryan Bang niya. May pagka-Ryan Bang siya kasi mag-best friend niya silang dalawa. Yun.
Now, this is a tough question for Devon. Who among the guys mentioned earlier is the most good-looking for you?
Rap. Ako na lang.
Ikaw ang pinakagwapo sa akin.
Ako yung pinakagwapo sa kanila eh. Wow. Hindi, sila naman.
Kaya mo yun?
Mga susunod na Piolo, Dieter, sila. Ay, wala. Wala
So if
akong
you're
kasi
gonna
iba-iba naman kasi yung
If you're gonna compare James to a heartthrob, certified heartthrob like Piolo, Jericho, Samuel D, who do you think James is most, kamukha or close with? Yung itsura. Or yung aura niya, yung personality.
Ako, Samuel B.
Why
Yun
Samuel
naman.
D?
Kasi, maybe because